So one of our 906 weather watchers tonight is an avid, well, I've seen her snowmobile.
Yes.
A lot.
And it wasn't the snowmobile today.
No.
Her and her husband were out and about in the Western U.P. and got this beautiful photo here. Sally Tappy-Ho-Smith getting this photo of Keweenaw Bay. She also had pictures with her travels across the rest of the Western U.P., but this was an awesome shot of Keweenaw Bay here. Thank you, Sally, for sending that in. And then as we look at Sandra Updike, we're keeping an eye on the inland lake ice, Andrew, because it's still a little bit on the thinner side, so just be careful if you are going to be going out there this weekend. Watch the landing areas and make sure the ice is thick. Definitely, it's not time to take the four-wheelers and the snowmobiles out there quite yet, but maybe if you walk out a little bit closer to shore, just check on the ice. Just be very careful, and by all means, I would probably give it a few more days. We got persistent cold in the weather forecast, so the ice is going to continue to gain thickness. If you'd like to join our 906 Weather Watchers page here, Sandra Updike, thank you for sending in that photo. We would love to show off your weather photos like Sandra's on our My UP News. All right, let's take a look at what's up with the weather. It's a cold weekend with temperatures for highs both days in the teens and 20s. Sunday night could get quite cold with some below zero lows inland away from the Great Lakes and outside of the lake effect snow. And speaking of snow, the snow that does fly across the UP will be the lake effect variety type. So here's the Clipper system passing on off towards the east, and then it becomes lake effect snow as we go through the daytime hours on Saturday. And this lake effect snow continues on Sunday. Copper Country, far western UP, and the snow belts east of Marquette. There's your temperatures Saturday morning in the teens, and as you notice here, by late Saturday afternoon, they're still in the teens. And then it does get cold on early Sunday morning with temperatures that will be falling into the single digits away from the Great Lakes and the lake effect snow. And then as we head into your Sunday afternoon, highs in the teens. Some locations could get into the 20s, provided enough sunshine. And then there's your temperatures at or below zero away from the Great Lakes and outside of the lake effect snow Sunday night and early Monday morning. 17 Marquette Saturday, 16 on Sunday. And we got temperatures around 20 or the 20s for the weekend for Munising and also the eastern UP and Newberry. Right around 20 for Escanaba both Saturday and Sunday. Low 20s Manistee. And then for Houghton and the Keweenaw Peninsula, lake effect snow with highs in the teens this weekend and a cold weekend along the Michigan-Wisconsin border.